Every Forex trade starts with one simple decision. Do you buy or do you sell? If you understand this, Forex becomes much easier. In Forex trading, there are only two actions: buy and sell. When you buy, you believe the price will go up. When you sell, you believe the price will go down. There is no third option. This is the foundation of every trade in the Forex market. Imagine you want to buy a phone. If you believe the price will increase next month, you buy it today. If you believe the price will drop next month, you wait and buy later. Forex works the same way, just with currencies instead of products. If you look at a Forex chart and believe the price will rise, you buy. If you believe the price will fall, you sell. It doesn't matter if the market is going up or down. Traders can make decisions in both directions. Beginner truth. Many beginners think you can only make money when price goes up. That's not true. In Forex, you can trade both rising and falling markets. What matters is being correct about direction, not speed. Buy means you expect price to rise. Sell means you expect price to fall. That's the core of Forex trading. If you're new to Forex and want simple explanations like this, subscribe for beginner-friendly lessons with no hype.